Hello everyone, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss that what type of problem you can face while importing your data from Excel to Stata file, and when you are applying any statistical test, the Stata will not allow to perform any test. So what type of error that can be exist. So now I am first of all we have to bring our data from Excel file into Stata file. So I am going to copy my data set from here. As you can see that I am just copying only one variable here from that. I have already made an error in this data set. So what is the error in this data set? I will tell you that when we paste our data in here. So here we have to paste our data set variable name. So here you can see that all of our variable data set is in red color. So why is that so? Because as you can see that now I am going back to my Excel file. So in my Excel file, here you can see that in this column I have put a column sign here in this data set. All of the remaining data set is in a point form. Here you can see point form or in digit form. But in this data set, I have entered column sign by myself. And you can easily see this here. Here you can see that here is column sign in the data. So whenever there is any column sign, any integer, any alphabet in your data set, so the Stata will not allow you to perform any test on it. So make sure that when you are copying your data from uh, Excel file to Stata file, make sure that there should be no alphabet, there should be no column sign, there should be no integers in your data set. If there exists any integer in your data set, then you are not able to perform any type of test, you are not able to make any graphs from this data set. So most of the time people face this problem that their data is in red color and they are not able to perform any test on that data set. So this is the problem that you can also face.